What's happening? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to be vlogging only in GoPro. Maybe. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, Nicole.
Hey.
Nicole's grumpy stiltskin because there's surf today, but it's too big, basically. Came down here expecting nice waves, and we've just got like death mush. We come for a little walk. Hello. And the water's so chillos. I'm finding it quite cold. Hey.
It's nice.
Romantic walks. We're gonna head back. The surf isn't mellowing out at all, it's just getting bigger, so hopefully a bit later it will be manageable. But Cameron and Kim are on their way over, so we're gonna go meet them at the house. Alright, back to normal camera now. Means I have to hold it further away. Nicole is driving me.
It's been ages since I've driven this tank.
Yeah? Do you love it?
I do like it. The clutch is quite hectic.
Yeah, it's like a workout.
I need that, but let's do this.
You're gonna get a really strong left leg.
Yeah.
We are heading to the shop down the road, a little local shop, because they make some amazing homemade bread. If you remember from the last time we were here, it's the best bread in the world. Who remembers that? I remember.
Stick your hand up if you remember.
Stick your hand up. This is the world's best bread. Literally the world's best. Put some water and some quali juice. Quali juice. Okay, we got friends. Cam's here, what up?
How's it going?
Kim's here as well. And hello. We're going to the beach. Beach day.
I will give it to you.
Hopefully the surf's going to chill out a little bit. Beach day. You guys paddling out or what?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Kim, you paddling out, yeah?
Always.
Nicole's suiting up.
I'm lined up.
The waves are big, man. It's a lot bigger than it looks, I think. On the camera.
Yo, that's gnarly down there.
Yeah, look at this guy coming in now.
Is that where you want to body surf?
No.
Yeah. That's where I want to watch you body surf, there. Chomp! I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but we're all going to suit up and go for a swim. It's going to be successful. Yeah, I mean, it'll be exciting. We've got the GoPro, so you guys can come with me. was interesting. Nobody drowned, we all survived, congratulations. Lived to see another day. Next time I'm definitely taking flippers, that was silly. Down in the back. Okay, it is like 6:30 in the evening. We had a braai. Cameron did another amazing braai. And now we're stepping out the house because the rugby's on, Stormers versus Sharks.
No. We had our own rugby.
And we're all pretty big rugby fans. So, what's going on down there? Oh, there's a hound. Oh, hey man. You. That guy's speedy. Whoa. Hectic. I think I locked, yeah. Yeah, I did as well. But yeah, we're I tried to edit. I sat down at the computer and then I just fell asleep. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Just went and had an 1.5 hour nap, but now I feel great. Cam, you're the rugby expert here. Who's gonna win, Sharks or Stormers?
I'm going Stormers.
Going Stormers.
Home team.
Okay. Yeah, me too. Big Stormers fan over here. And you guys, back there? Stormers. We're all gonna be disappointed if the Sharks win. Yeah. I'm gonna throw a bar stool or something. Yeah.
Wait until you see the spa as well.
Oh yeah, we're going to a bar called Camelot, and it's a castle, and it's weird. Could you settle down back there, please? I'm trying to vlog up here. Okay, I'm not kidding you. This is where we're watching the rugby. This is an interesting. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make that. Yes, I am. Committing to it. She does. Parking on the grass, on the lawn. What are you guys saying about this place? Is it legit?
Depends what you define as legit. I like it.
Alright.
It's got sharks in there.
Alright, we walked in and there was no space, so he just gave us this whole room to ourselves and turned the TV on, moved the fridge out of the way. And now we've got like a whole room to ourselves. How awesome is this? Yeah, exactly. Cheers, I've gone for a rock shandy because I'm still not drinking. It's difficult to not drink at the rugby. Cheers guys. Come on Stormers, you got this.
That guy was at school with me.
Replay please.
In our rugby team.
Was he?
Yeah.
Nice.
You basically trained us.
I tried it.
You taught him everything he knows? Can we have a replay please? Just a little one.
It's the baby one.
Here we go. This was rad.
Go ahead, Johnny, put that.
Oh. Awkward.
Oh. What a song is that? I told him that.
Such skill sliding on his stomach as well. That was my favourite bit.
Oh, they awarded
Check this tackle, check this tackle. And you're going down, son. Half time, Stormers are showing very good form. Sharks also very good. Cam, what are you saying? How's the game?
Yeah, it's going well to be honest. We've got a yellow card, so to have us leading at the half time is pretty good if I'm honest. So yeah, it'd be cool.
Also, we're just chilling in VIP. Oh, you blew a flip-flop. You trod on something sticky. Gross. Good news is though, Stormers won. How much of a vibe was Camelot though?
Such a vibe.
Such a vibe. If that's not a portrait of Nicole, I don't know what is. Camelot, the castle pub, was actually alright. It was not too bad, was it? Not too weird.
Was it?
Shabdog. Camelot restaurant.
Shabby.
Shabalabs.
Shabdog.
Moon's out.
Look at that cloud though.
Look at that cloud town. Camelot, the castle pub, was actually alright. It was not too bad, was it? Not too weird.
Was it?
Shabdog. Camelot restaurant.
Shabby.
Shabba-labs.
Shab dog.
Moon's out.
Look at that cloud though.
Look at that cloud town. Watch out for the mongoose. Right next to the wild dog. Wild dog's next to the elephant. We're busy watching Workaholics, which is absolutely my new favourite series. We're gonna go to bed. No night after this episode. No night. Alright. No night, dude. I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao. Check you guys later. Hopefully the surf won't be quite as deadly in the morning, and we're gonna actually use our surfboards. Who knows? Dude, give me one of those. Give me one of those. Oh. Yeah, that's true love. Alright, take you guys tomorrow. Remember to work hard, be nice to people, try not to get lost or killed. Okay, love you, bye. In other news,
I'm about to eat some grapes.
and I am eating a nectarine.
Pink grapes.